It's all going on. We have a John Deere baler and a Massey Ferguson's 6465 I think it is, but I could be wrong. And we have another Massey sitting over here waiting for the combine coming down there. So I'll go and see what's what, if it's okay to film, although I've actually started. So we've got a New Holland combine today. So I'll go and see who it is. So I've been very lucky, just came across along this road here, and it's near Nether Mill, which is near Park Gate. So I filmed this farm a few years ago when they actually had a chilled forager, and probably a young lad I spoke to there was on the 390 turbo at the time there. So I think it's a flat 8 system we have today. Too late. I think this is the first small baler I've got this year, and it's we're now into September. With a dump trailer on it there. So it is a 64, 65 dinosaur there. John Deere baler. And a flat 8 system there. You can see it working.